beautiful girl and hide her away from the rest of the world. I wanna be the one to walk in the sun. Oh, girls, they wanna have fun.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl LaQuanta coming to y'all with a brand new video, and I'm hyped for this video, y'all. So, y'all, I'm starting off with my brows already done, and that's how I'm thinking I'm gonna start doing my makeup tutorials. And as usual, for my base, I'm using Juvia's Place eyelid primer for my base, and I'm just using a brush to blend that out. And I'm basically using this so my colors can be like extra vibrant and pop. Okay, like, yeah, we want these colors to pop today because we're doing a real pretty vibrant look. So I'm just blending that out. Okay, I was really jamming, y'all. I had my music on. I was in a good mood. Okay, today's palette, I'm going to be using the 35s Sweet Oasis palette by Morphe. Morphe has definitely been my jam lately. I've been loving Morphe everything. Their foundation, shit, their lipsticks, their palettes. I've been loving Morphe. So, basically, I just took that blue shade and I'm just going to blend it into my crease. And I'm not going to go further than my crease. I'm just going to blend that into my crease right now. Just patting that color in. Yes, girl, I was hyped. Next, I'm going to go in with that lighter blue shade, and I'm going to use that as like a transition or to help blend out that darker blue shade. Okay. Then with the blending brush with nothing on it, I'm just going to blend those two colors together so they mesh well, because right now I just patted it on. So now I'm just using a productless brush and I'm just blending it together using side-by-side swiping motions. Then I'm going to go in with that teal color and I'm going to just use that to deepen up that blue color that I already placed. If you made it this far in this video, don't forget to shoot me a thumbs up and give me a comment down below. I would really appreciate it. Alright, now with that deeper teal shade, I'm going to use that and I'm going to put that directly in my crease. And blend it all together. I just keep going deeper and deeper. So for the base, like at my eyelid, I'm going to use that deep sea green teal. I don't know what to call it. I'm going to use that for my eyelid and I'm just going to pack it on. Then just with a brush, like I said, a brush with nothing on it, I'm just using that to blend those two colors together. Honestly, I like this palette. The colors blend really well to be blues. They blend together really well. I was dealing with some patchiness, but I think it was my fault because I was using a lot of product. I was packing it on because I was changing my mind. So I wouldn't necessarily say it's the palette that was patchy. It was more so the product user. It was me. It was my fault. So here I'm just cutting my crease with that same Juvia's Place primer that I used, and I really love this to cut my crease. It was a life changer when I tried it for my crease. I was like, why haven't I been cutting my crease with my eyelid primer? I've been using primer and then using concealer, like why? So yeah, I'm just gonna cut that crease with a flat brush. Trying to get that crease nice and short, honey. Now that I'm satisfied with my crease, I'm just going to take that shimmery shade and I'm going to put that in my crease. I ended up spraying this shimmery shade with some of my setting spray. As you guys know, that helps make the shimmers pop more and make them more vibrant. Guess what I was singing, y'all? Now I'm just taking that brush and blending those dark shades together close by the edges of my eyelid, my outer eyelid. And in this clip, I'm just packing on some glue so I can go ahead and lay that glitter down. The glitter I use is from Walmart, you guys. I don't recommend you using non-cosmetic glitter, but I've been doing it for the longest and it really don't bother me, so I do it to myself. But if I had a client, I definitely would not use non-cosmetic glitter, as this is art glitter and it's not made for your face, okay? So just a disclaimer. And yeah, next I'm going to take that same shade that I put on my eyelid and my crease, my cut crease, and I'm going to put that in my inner corners, and I'm going to kind of blend that up into my eyebrow just a little bit. And then add in that white shade just to make it pop a little bit more, to bring it out so it won't be so shimmery but yet popping, okay? Then I'm going to go in with that pink shade, and I'm going to take that and I'm going to put that on my waterline or my lower eye, I guess. I'm just going to blend that all the way across. I like the different variations that this brought. I really like those two colors together. And then with the darker one, I'm just going to use that to smoke out it a little bit more. Just add a little bit of smoke to it, okay? Then I put the pink on my inner corner, the lighter pink. I put that on my inner corner just to add some dimension to these colors. And just blending that together. Then with the makeup wipe, like usual, I'm going to use that to clean up my edges. I don't want it to be all smoky like that on the side, so I'm just using it to give me a straight edge. Then I'm going in with a pink eyeliner, and I'm using that for my waterline. Yeah. Next it's time for liner, and today I will be doing a wing liner. So I'm just going to do my wing liner like normal. I'm using the Il Makiage eyeliner, and lately that's been my favorite eyeliner. I think it's getting dry and I think I may need a new one, but I've been using the rocks off of that damn eyeliner so I can see. Yeah, basically just put my eyeliner on. Same thing for the other eye. Y'all, getting your eyeliner symmetrical on each side be so hard sometimes. Like, I be struggling. But the eyeliner be cute when I be done, because I'm going to fix it up. I'm going to make it look like something. Even if I got one thick-ass eyeliner and one of them skinny and snatched to the guy, we're going to fix it. We're going to fix it. So, yeah, that's the eyeliner, y'all. Then I'm going to go in with the Milani waterproof mascara, and I'm just going to use that to coat my lashes because I'm about to apply some lashes. And I'm going to put some on my bottom lashes because I like to look real glammed, okay? And yeah, these are the lashes that I'm going to use. And voila, their lashes are on. Now it's time to get that face, honey. So for face, I'm going to use my Tula primer, and I'm just going to rub that all in my face. I really like this primer because, as you can see, I have some redness, and basically it clears out redness. Like, you don't have to be looking like that. And then I'm going to go in with my Black Radiance liquid highlighter, and I'm just using that to give me like an underglow before I put on my foundation. So yeah, just stay tuned for the finished result. Just blend that out, okay? I'm gonna put a little bit on my cheekbones, a little bit on my nose, and everywhere that I normally put a little highlighter. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Place foundation, and I really had to mix two different foundations. I had to mix Bogetta and Casavania, something like that. I had to mix those together to get my shade because, yeah, as you can see, I had a struggle finding my shade in that brand. And I'm just using a stippling brush to blend out my foundation. I really like this stippling brush by e.l.f. It blends out my foundation really good. Like, it's been in my collection for years. Like, every time I lose it, I go get another one because I need this. Like, it works for anything foundation. And as you can see in the next clip, you're going to see me using it for my concealer as well. So for concealer, I'm just using my LA Girls Pro Concealer. And I'm just putting that on my under eyes, my nose, my forehead, my chin, everywhere I normally put it, okay? And I'm just going to use that same stippling brush to blend out my concealer. And when I say flawless, y'all, fucking flawless, I swear. Here I just got like a smaller brush so I can get those inner corners of my eyes. Keep blending. Y'all hit the like button if this look is giving y'all Dory vibes. I think it's giving Dory vibes, okay? Alright. Around my nose, on the sides, all of that. Then I'm gonna go in with my NYX. I'm so hyped, I couldn't even let y'all see what the fuck I was using. So I'm going in with my NYX contour stick. It's like a duo contour stick, my favorite. And I'm just gonna contour all around my head and my cheekbones and one line down on the side of my face and my chin to make me look snatched, girl. I don't want to be looking how I'm looking, okay? I want to look like a whole new person, okay? So yeah, let's snatch that face a little bit. I'm gonna use my favorite angled brush to blend out my contour. Y'all, recently I got a new contour brush that I like blending my contour out with. I know I always use this angled brush, but I recently been on to a new one, and I can't wait to show y'all how it blends out. Like, of course it's Morphe, but I'm gonna show y'all. Maybe in my next video though. Okay, once I'm satisfied with my base, my cream base, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Lasting Fix setting powder, and I'm just gonna use my powder brush and I'm gonna pat that into my skin. You don't want to put a lot on, you just want to put like a light layer on, pack it into your skin, and yeah, that'll do the trick, y'all. You don't need a whole lot of that. Okay, I don't even know what I was singing right there. I really don't. Then I'm going in with my Black Radiant Soft Focus setting powder, and I'm just going to use that to set the rest of my face, girl. Okay, your girl did that. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Beauty Bakery bronzer, and I'm just gonna use that to kind of like contour slash bronze my face, because y'all, I've been loving bronzer. I haven't been using no contour powder, but bronzer has been life, especially for summertime. I've been looking like a whole goddess. Like, look at my skin. Then I'm gonna go in with my favorite Physician Formula Matte Manoi butter bronzer, and I'm gonna use that to really like deepen up that Beauty Bakery bronze that I used. Like, girl, I told you I've been loving these bronze. Like look. And check the underglow of the Black Radiance. Mind you, I did put foundation on top of it, and it's still glowing, okay? I'm just going in with my BH Cosmetics blush, and I'm just blushing them cheeks out. Patting it all over my face. Well, not all over my face, but just on my cheeks. Then with my MAC Fix Plus, I'm going to use that to set my makeup in and lock this shit in place, y'all. We want shit to stay put. Like, we put on in this effort for what? We want it to stay put. Lastly, for my face, I'm going in with my Juvia's Place highlighter, and I love this highlighter. Like, this highlighter been my holy grail. I've been grabbing this highlighter for every day. Like, I love this highlighter. Like, look at that fucking glow. Look at that fucking glow. Alright, now moving on to lip liner, y'all. Just use any regular dark brown lip liner. Alright, y'all, so basically I'm just wrapping up my lips, and this concludes the tutorial for today. I'm gonna slap on some matte lipstick, and yeah, you guys, I really hope y'all like this look. I really hope you liking these videos that I'm bringing to you. If you do like these videos, don't forget to like and comments down below, especially if you're already subscribed to me. But if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I really would appreciate it, and I think you'll really enjoy your time becoming a part of the beautiful and fresh crew, okay? Because we're gonna keep it beautiful, we're gonna keep it fresh. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. Facebook at LaQuanta Taylor, and Instagram is freshly picked with an underscore. And without further ado, that's the end of this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you.